There are many dishes where ingredients are mixed with the sauce that is at the same time salty, sweet, and sour. I'm going to show you how to make one of these great dishes from the Chinese gastronomy, the sweet and sour chicken. Here are the ingredients for 2 people. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Start by marinating the chicken. Cut it into chunks. Put them in a mixing bowl. Then add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, some pepper, 1 egg white, 1 teaspoon of Shaoxing cooking wine. Mix all. Add the 40 grams of cornstarch. Mix. And let's sit while preparing the other ingredients. Cut 1 onion, 1/3 pepper, 1/4 pineapple, one spring onion, 5 grams of cilantro, 100 grams of cherry tomatoes, chop 1 garlic clove, peel the ginger, grate it, keep 1 teaspoon. Now prepare the sauce. Put in a bowl 1 teaspoon of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of chili puree, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of white rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, some ground pepper, 10 centiliters of chicken broth. Mix all together. Dilute 1 teaspoon of cornstarch with 1 tablespoon of water. Fry the pieces of marinated chicken in the oil heated over high heat. Let them fry for 6 minutes. Stir from time to time. Remove them and put them in a colander. Put 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over high heat. When the oil is hot, put the ginger and the garlic. Stir. As soon as the garlic begins to brown, add the onion. Stir for 10 seconds. Put the pepper, the pineapple, the cherry tomatoes. Stir from time to time for 1 minute. Add the sauce. Cook for 3 minutes and stir from time to time. Add the fried chicken pieces. Stir for 10 seconds. Put the spring onion and briefly stir. Add the diluted cornstarch, stir for 20 seconds, and cut the file. Put the sweet and sour chicken in a dish. Sprinkle with the cilantro. Eat with jasmine rice. Bon appétit! Enjoy it hot. In the sauce, the chicken pieces are still crispy. For this dish, I like using a not too ripe pineapple so that it also brings some acidity. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.